of surprise guests and many numbers. Maraming pasabog po, medleys, and yung mga guests ko po, sila Billy, si Robbie Domingo, and sila Ate Alyssa, si Kuya Jason B, Kuya Mitoy from The Voice, and maraming pa po special guests. And of course, this is brought to you by MCA Music and Astro Plus. Maraming salamat po. And here is my second single from my album. Here is Stuck. Actually, malapit na po ang music video para dito. So, tune into that. So, follow me on my Instagram as well, at Darren Espanto1. And follow me on Vivo, Darren Espanto Vivo. Yun po. Here is Stuck.
Too dumb to notice there was something about you. What am I supposed to do? I sure wish I knew. All the butterflies I felt inside never really mattered. Wishful thoughts and sudden smiles ended being shattered. What are we supposed to be? I'm helplessly addicted to you, but you never feel the same. Time may pass us by, but you stay stuck on my mind. In that moment we said that night, I thought it was right, but maybe I was wrong all along, and I held on to something that never really mattered. Stuck on that starting line, I'm still silently, quietly hoping you end up with me. Starting line, and I'm still silently, quietly hoping you end up with me. Ooh, oh, you end up with me. Told those times we were together, I never really mattered. All you see is what you want, my heart is being shattered. What are we supposed to be? I'm helplessly addicted to you, but you never felt the same. I was too dumb to notice there was something about you. What am I supposed to do if I'm still stuck on you? Yeah.
Thank you po. Again, maraming salamat po for tuning in today with me, Darren Espanto. And maraming salamat po, of course, to Spinner and MCA Music. And si Kuya Chris of Owner Ritmo for being my guitarist today. Sana pumunta po kayo sa birthday concert live at the Mo Arena on May 29. You can buy your tickets at smtickets.com. Hope you guys come, and it's gonna be fun. It's like parang birthday party ko na po to para sa inyo lahat. And sana po pumunta po kayo. We'll have a lot of medleys and surprises. Meron po akong mga surprise guests, including Bimpy, Kuya Robbie Domingo, Ate Alyssa Bonaobra, Kuya Jason D, and Kuya Mitoy Yanting. and many more surprise guests brought to you by MCA Music. And sana pupunta po kayo. Again, maraming salamat po. And you can also buy my album at any Astro Plus, Astrovision store nationwide. And also, you can download it on a spinner. And please also follow me on Instagram, DannyEspanto1. And you can also check out my latest single, Stuck, which I just sang, on my Vivo channel. You can go to Darren Espanto Vivo. And salamat po sa pag-support din sa In Love Ako Sa'yo. And thanks again. Thank you po. And maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon dito sa MCA office. I was too dumb to notice that there's something about you. Yay. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.